Alright, Tim and Eric, Tim, I'm back at you. So today's video is going to be about some shelves that fold down. Actually, I got from Fleximount. Now, Fleximount did send me these shelves out in hopes that I would do a video. So, but they're not paying me. They're not telling me what to say. And so what I did was I combined. There was actually four shelves. I combined the 2 and 2 and made two bigger shelves because I wanted to make a workbench out of one of them, and I think it turned out pretty well. I took these over to my daughter and my son-in-law's house, and we put one of them up in the garage so far. We haven't got the other one up just yet, but I wanted to share this with you because these are really cool. So when you get the box from Fleximounts, this is actually the top of the box. This is part number WR26BFD. V is in Victor 2. This is kind of how the stuff comes. It's kind of what the finished shelf looks like. And again, WR26BFD V2. So this is what the shelf looked like put together. It took me about 2 hours yesterday to put all this together. You basically just have to put the one little bolt in right here on those wall brackets, and then these are there's actually two of them right here. You see that? There's actually two of them, and they look to be about 24 inches wide. I haven't measured them, and then they give you all the hardware, which is nice. So I put it all in a Ziploc bag so I can take it over to my daughter's house and do that. And then they give you this template that you can hold up against the wall once you find your stuff with the stud. You can hold this template, and it's actually not just paper, it's like cardboard. So it tells you 24 inches, 18 inches, 16 inches, 12 inches. And then once you find your first stud, you can literally just put the dots on whatever. Ours has like 16-inch centers, which is normal here in Texas. And so you just use the installation template. So they give you that in the box as well. So it's pretty nice. So I got to take this stuff over to my daughter's house, and then we'll put it up on the wall. Spider! I was actually doing it wrong last time. You have to hold it to the wall before you push the calibrate button. So I was actually doing it wrong. Calibration completed. Image. Start scan. Right about there.
Hold on. Well, I'll go down to three foot mark.
Okay. Well, we can do a like a plumb bob or something. I have one in there, but I can go down and must be. You know what? I bet you there's a firewall in here. There should be a stud at either side.
There's a stud
so it's
there.
On the right. Okay. It's on the right. Yeah.
You can kind of see where the sheetrock comes down. Tapes.
Yeah. So that's about 16 inches apart. Where's that tape measure? Showing 22 and 23. Scan this one again, just to make sure. Well, just run it around. You got freaking spiders everywhere. Move it over just slowly. Get it in the center. It'll tell you when it's in the center.
Center?
Yeah, but it's not straight up and down. I move it over just a hair. Look at that, it's penalty heat. It's sensing your heat.
Oh, look at all the heat in me. I'm so hot.
Look, it's actually moving. Look.
Oh man.
That's your heart.
It's. I'm so warm and hot.
That's pretty cool.
Ooh, that's perfect. Oh shit, that ain't perfect.
This is what you call a very generic way to put stuff up. But it's going to work. be able to do so. With your luck, the cats will be laying on top of it. Here goes inside, or in between the two, and then bolts down. If you can see that, it's got a bolt right there, which is pretty cool. So, do these? No, I think that's the best place for them. Like I said in the picture, it showed to do one here and then one over here, but that would be, it wouldn't be in the way.
No, it'd be
Well, that's, it only has a
for my purposes.
has a square hole. So
For
it
my
has to go here.
purposes, my purposes,
Your purposes.
my purposes, we're going to do all the ones across the front, and that's where we're going to leave it.
The hardest part of this stuff was actually putting these things together.
I don't see no screws. I see
Snap
some.
in the connector.
I see some.
It doesn't say anything about little screws.
What are these for? These Allen heads.
I don't know. That's what I'm looking for.
Oh shit! All right. So you see how this works, and then it folds. It folds down out of the way, and look how much space you have. Look at that space-saving technology right there.
So we ran to Lowe's and got some wood, and we're gonna put this. It's right. Okay, just put it on. Just put the wood on there. So we're gonna make a workbench, and I've already cut the wood. It's a little bowed, but
Can't
I
get
think
good
it'll
lumber
work.
these days.
So we got these self-tapping screws. I hope they're not too long.
I want the straight.
Should be okay, I think.
If not, we'll just cut the tips off.
That looks better. So
There you go. All right, let's do some pre-drilling.
okay.
Let's get the bit size for that.
You know what you forgot? Your multi-plug thing.
I know.
That's what it was.
That's what I was like.
That's what you were thinking of. You go right through it, both of
Yep.
them? Let me see if I have a bit for that. Don't have one in there. We need like a.
You ain't got no nut driver bit, do you? I guess I gotta go
Not with
get
me.
my Milwaukee bit set and show you how Milwaukee works.
Uh-huh. It's crazy. It's crazy, I tell you. He needs to find a place to put the other shelf, so we haven't done that one yet. But my guess is it's probably going to go over there, or maybe even out on the patio. You know, I was thinking you could put the other shelf out somewhere on the back patio if you ever wanted to have like a thing to be cooking out there on the barbecue, and then have the thing right next to it. That'd be pretty cool.
Well, maybe. It might not be able to fit underneath there.
It will. Oh, yeah. Let's see. There it goes.
Oh, like a glove.
You have to put it in between the brackets. But you know you can stow these, right?
I know, I'm just putting this back up. All right, look at there.
I take your, if you're gonna keep it, take your thing off. Make it look like you're gonna keep it.
I'll be back.